What's that sound? That's if I blew up my motor. No!
Whoopa!
Wepa!
Is it wepa?
It's wepa.
Oh, okay. He's a cool guy though. Alright, go ahead, sorry.
This is the motor that we picked up for $150 from some dude in Mexico.
I mean, it was in the last blog. Check out our last blog, or two blogs ago.
What he said was another, he got it off of one of his buddies that he brought it to a mechanic and they said that it needs a complete rebuild. So we took it apart just curious what's going on and pretty much got to the bottom of it. It came out of a BK1. So one of the most known problems with the BK1 motors are the rod bearings. So, you know, whenever you hear like, oh, my motor blew, they blew my motor, this guy more than likely didn't get a tune because we don't know who he is. And, you know, from factory, the rod bearings are just the weakest point of the motor. So here we have, you know, a very good one. I mean, you know, the rod's not supposed to be moving at all. That right there shows you got play, which means that the bearings actually slipped out and got distorted. So now when we take this thing off.
So this is so-called spun bearing.
Yes, this is exactly what a spun bearing is.
Yeah.
What a spun bearing is no, obviously what it sounds like, the bearing spun on itself. Yeah. What that causes is it causes everything to go oblong. And if you have a motor that has a spun bearing, most of the time you have to replace the crank, not the actual rod, depending on how severe it is. So we are about to find out. Ooh. Damn. All right, see that right there? That's supposed to be smooth. And obviously there is no bearing left on here.
Woo! Or there was no bearing.
No, there's a bearing. It's right here. What's left of it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there we go. Wow. So this will also cause the crank to go off balance, right?
Mm-hmm. Well,
some part of it.
That's tasty. Look at that.
Woo!
Damn, he had this shit. So what this sound? Oh yeah, the rods are toasted on this one. So
need rods anyway.
Rods.
I mean, I was gonna replace those anyway.
So new rods and a new crank. I mean, the machine shop might be able to
balance it again
to repolish this, but I mean, if you feel this right here, these grooves, the bearing tore right into it.
Oh, so even if you put a new bearing, unless it's like
no, it has. This whole thing has to get polished and rebalanced.
Exactly.
If it could be reused.
Right.
So what causes this damage is having crappy oil, not doing your oil changes on time, running low on oil, and high rev. That is the causes of a spun bearing.
Which we've seen so many times.
Which is exactly, and then, you know, unfortunately, who gets the blame? You know, the person that tuned my car, or the shop that installed this or installed that. That's the reason of this. No, it's you not taking care of your car.
Never the owner's problem.
Yeah, it's you not taking care of the car, and, you know, babying your motor.
Babying?
Yeah, you got a baby. I mean, we'll take care of it on the weekends. You know, we get some downtime. You want to just, you know, check it, look at the oil, what color it is, where's the oil level, check your fluids. You know, just
take care of it.
Take care of your baby. You know, you can't just get in the car, beat the shit out of it, and then expect it to last long.
Which is pretty much.
But damn, this is some toasty ass bearings.
A lot of guys here. Can you just lay? I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah, 3,000 RPMs, and you hear that.
Mm-hmm.
That's what that is. It's